Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech, and I want to show you a new feature of SolidWorks 2025. Here, I've got a SolidWorks model, and Y is the up axis while I'm here in an isometric view. Many other applications use Z as the up axis. For example, here is the same model in CATIA, and you can look over here and see that Z is the upward direction while in an isometric view. Also, DraftSite can see the Z up orientation. Up until now, SolidWorks has always been Y up, and it still is, but now, thanks to 2025, we have an option. So if you go to the new document window, you can create a part or an assembly using Z as the up axis, but not from this novice setting. We need to go to the advanced version, and on the templates tab, we have the part and assembly, and here we have the Y up or Z up selection. Now, if we go to any other part or assembly templates, we don't get that option. It's only the default ones, these two defaults. So I'm going to select the part, and we'll go with Z up and OK. Now, here in an isometric orientation, the Z axis is up. So let's take a look at this in practice. I'm going to switch back over to this model. We'll copy the contents of the sketch, and then go back to our new document. Start a new sketch on the top plane. Paste those in, exit, and in the isometric orientation, there we have it. Z is up. I hope you find that useful, and have a good day.